Hi everyone, it's Miss Nancy. Can you guess who I have with me today? Yes, it's Clifford the big red dog. And now I bet you can guess what book we're going to read together. Today we're going to read Clifford the Big Red Dog by Norman Bridwell. Norman Bridwell is the author. He wrote the words, and he's the illustrator. He drew the pictures. Let's get started. I'm Emily Elizabeth, and I have a dog. My dog is a big red dog. Other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big, and some are red dogs, but I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. This is my dog, Clifford. We have fun together. We play games. I throw a stick and he brings it back to me, but he sometimes makes mistakes. Can you see the mistake he made? He brought the wrong stick. We play hide and seek. I'm a good hide and seek player. I can find Clifford no matter where he hides. He's so big. We play camping out, and I don't need a tent. I can use his ears. He can do tricks too. He can sit up and beg. Oh, I know he's not perfect. He has some bad habits. He runs after cars and he catches some of them. Uh-oh. He runs after cats too. We won't go to the zoo anymore. And he digs up flowers. Oh no. Clifford loves to chew shoes. It's not easy to keep Clifford. He eats and drinks a lot. His house was a problem too. It had to be built really big. It's even bigger than Emily Elizabeth's house. But he's a very good watchdog. The bad boys don't come around anymore. One day, I gave Clifford a bath in the swimming pool. And I combed his hair and took him to the dog show. I'd like to say that Clifford won first prize, but he didn't. I don't care. You can keep all of your small dogs. You can keep all of your black and white and brown and spotted dogs. I'll keep Clifford. Wouldn't you? You know, we were talking about how big Clifford is. He's very, very, very tall, isn't he? There's all sorts of ways that you can do measuring at home. Sometimes you can use a measuring tape and you can measure how very tall something is. Sometimes you can use a piece of string to measure. You can use a ruler to measure. You can even put together some markers and measure as well. And sometimes You might even want to stack your toys on top of each other and measure that way. You can put together Legos and measure things as you're stacking Legos. You can even use pieces of paper to measure things. So when you're at home and you want to measure something, just go grab some objects, because you can use anything to measure. It doesn't have to be just a ruler or a tape measure. You can use anything. And one of the things that might be fun for you to measure is yourself. See how tall you are getting. Your parents can help you with that. You can lay down on the floor and they can measure you. Maybe they can even find out how many markers tall you are. You know what? We really miss you. And we can't wait to see you again. And we know that very soon you're going to be back in school with your friends and with your teacher. And you're going to be enjoying all sorts of books, just like Clifford the Big Red Dog. But until then, I hope that you have a wonderful day. And I will see you soon.